Peppa's Jungle Adventure. One sunny morning, Peppa and George woke up extra excited. Daddy Pig announced, "Today we're going on a jungle adventure." Mommy Pig packed a picnic basket, and soon they were riding in the car toward the jungle park. When they arrived, they saw tall green trees, colorful flowers, and heard birds chirping loudly. "Wow! It's like another world," Peppa gasped. George pointed happily. "Monkey," a playful monkey, was swinging from tree to tree. The monkey waved at them and even copied George's giggle. Then they followed a jungle guide who showed them a bright red parrot. "Squawk! Hello, Peppa." "Hello, George," the parrot said. Everyone laughed. Next, they saw a gentle elephant splashing water with its trunk. "Splish! Splash!" Peppa shouted as the water cooled them down. George clapped with joy. Finally, the family reached a little jungle clearing where they set down their picnic. But oh no! A group of tiny, curious monkeys came and tried to peek inside the basket. Peppa giggled. "No, cheeky monkeys, this is our lunch." So Daddy Pig shared bananas with them, and the monkeys danced happily. As the sun began to set, the family rode back home. Peppa said, "This was the best jungle adventure ever. I loved meeting new animals and making monkey friends." Moral of the story: respect animals and nature, and they will bring you joy in return.